Alright, this time we're asked to find the equation of a line when given 2 points. In this case, the 2 points are 1 comma negative 2 and 5 comma 6. Remember, this is my x value, y value, x value, y value. And to put it in the equation of a line, again, we're looking to put it into slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And just a reminder, whenever we put it in slope-intercept form, m always represents a number and b represents a number, while my x and my y remain x and y. So I'm looking to put a number in for the slope, and I'm looking to put a number in for the b value, which is our y-intercept. So the question is, all I'm given is 2 points, so how do I go about doing this? Well, the first thing is, when given 2 points, we're able to find out the slope between the 2 points, and that's one of the numbers we need to find out, is the slope. So remember, to find a slope between 2 points, we use the y2 minus the y1 over the x2 minus the x1. So in this case, I'll use my second, I'll call these my x2, y2, and x1, y1. So I substitute those values in, and I get 6 minus a negative 2 over the quantity 5 minus 1. So 6 minus a negative 2 ends up being 8 over the quantity 4, which is simply equals out to 2. So 2 essentially equals my slope. I have a slope of 2, so I can put that in right now because I know that's going to be part of the equation. So now I have y equals 2x plus b. And again, so what I'm looking for now is I got my m value, but now I'm looking for my b value. And again, I do this by substituting in one of these points. I have the slope. I need to substitute either this x and this y into the equation, and I can get the value. And believe it or not, it doesn't matter. I can also substitute this x and this y into the equation. I'll get the same answer. And I'm just going to choose this, the 5 comma 6, because that's what I started off with. So I had the y value, in this case, according to this ordered pair, is 6 equals 2 times the quantity, in this case x is 5, plus b. So I have 6 equals 2 times 5 is 10, plus b. And I subtract my 10, whatever I do one side, I gotta do the other side. Again, the reason I'm subtracting is I'm trying to solve for b, isolate my b. So I end up with a negative 4 equals b. So the equation that I have now come up with is y equals, my slope m, in this case is 2x, and now I just found out my b, it's a minus 4, so instead of being plus b, it's going to be minus 4. And again, I could have chose these 2 points. In fact, we'll do that. If I chose the other ordered pair, I would have a y value of negative 2 equals the quantity, the slope is still 2, but in this case the x value is a 1 plus b. And I would go about solving this. Again, negative 2 equals 2 plus b. Subtract the 2, whatever do one side, I got to do the same thing to the other side. So I'm left with negative 4 equals b. So you can see I still get the same value for b. So it doesn't matter which ordered pair I substitute in, it's still going to give me the same value of b. But the trick is to make sure you put your final answer into slope-intercept form, where y is always y, x is always x, but my slope is always a number, and my b is always a number.